Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Kimberly Taylor. Welcome to our second module, which is going to be referred to as IDS, Intrusion Detection Systems. So this is the second half of our security awareness training. So on this particular module, I'm going to be toggling back and forth between two windows. So I'm going to show you how to actually run this great little utility called Snort, and you can run this utility on Linux or Windows. I'm going to use Windows 8 for my demonstration. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to create some traffic on our network. I'm going to actually ping our the router. So let's go ahead and type that command in. I'm going to ping my wireless router, and I'm using, of course, a private network, so I won't do any harm to any real production network. Let's see, and the router address is 192.168.1.1, and I'm going to ping it continuously so we can see the traffic coming through. Let me just type that command correctly. Alright, so let's get that going. Alright, so now that's running, and so now we have traffic that's being generated. As you can see, it's a standard ping command, and it just says reply, and there's the amount of time that it takes to travel through the network. As you can see, these are the amount of bytes that are coming through the network, and of course your time to live option. Alright, so now let's go to the left hand side of the screen here, and I already have brought up I've already change my directory over to snort /bin, and please be aware that you need to have your path as snort bin when you're running this utility. So let's just do a plain old packet dump command. So I just want to I'm going to type snort, and that's it. Let's see what happens. Alright, so here you can see Snort is actually starting to run right now. Just a standard packet dump mode. See? Running in packet dump. This is the output plugin, and this is the PCAP file that's also used in Wireshark, by the way. This is the configuration file for Snort, and it's running in passive mode, which means it's just pretty much capturing everything on the network. So remember, Snort is an IDS, but this portion of Snort is running more like a protocol analyzer, and it's running off of my network card. This is the address for my network card. See here, and it's actually decoding Ethernet packets, and this is, of course, is the initialization is complete from the configuration file. That's just telling you a little house cleaning rules there, and it just tells you the background who actually created this file, this program, and so on. It's actually an open source program. So now I want to stop this particular packet capturing mode from happening, so I'm going to actually press Control C. And there I go. So when I press Control C, you get to know, you'll see all the statistics that are coming through, and it'll tell you from this point what was actually captured and what was not captured. And let's see here. Looks like I haven't captured too much traffic, which is probably a good thing. But anyway, that's how that particular mode works. But let me just say one thing. The reason why I haven't captured any traffic because I haven't told the system which network card to use. So let's try something different here. Let's try this. Let's try snort and I for interface, and I think it's interface 2. Let's see what happens when I press that command. Let's see if anything comes up. See the difference? Now I'm actually seeing the live packets come across the network. As you can see here, there's an ICMP packet and time to deliver. Of course, these are all packet header information. This is all packet header information that's actually coming through the network from this particular traffic that I'm generating. Now look here on this side, you'll see it'll actually say 10 milliseconds, 5 milliseconds, 12 milliseconds, and so on. So it's giving you real live information about what's happening with your traffic on your network. So this is basically how an intrusion detection system works, and it's pretty much, it's a lot of fun actually. So you should play around with it and get comfortable with it. And you can actually see here, you see what it says echo reply. So you can actually tell I'm actually running a ping command. That's going so fast I can't hardly catch it. But there it is, echo, echo reply, echo, echo reply. That's the ping command that's running right here. I'm actually pinging the gateway. So that's it for our security Awareness Training Module 2. I hope you learned some information here, and we'll be back for Module 3. Thanks so much for watching.